This road is neat and clean. Every day a lot of visitors have come to see this natural scenery. As a result, Srimangal is known tea capital of Bangladesh. Why not? A lot of acres has grown a very big tea garden. But here in this area, most of the scenery of green paddy field. Here farmers are like to grow paddy and others agriculture crops. Most of the crops are paddy, wheat, etc. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.